Alright guys, here it is. Guess what that is? That reads Speed Engineering. Awesome. First of all, this is the crossover pipes. Actually like good quality clamps. This is the flange that I'm going to use to do their True Dual 3-inch exhaust that dumps under the truck. There we go. And first sneak peek. Oh yeah, so pretty. Over here, same thing. Just gorgeous. I will tell you this though, these things are a very, very snug fit. Let's get down the creeper here. Okay. There's that. O2 sensors fit in just fine. My flex plate. This guy. Super tight clearance. Oh, there you go. Probably right there. Just enough for the wires not get pinched, which is fine with me. But this is the view out of there. You guys can see that. There you go. There's this one. Okay, as far as install was pretty simple. Took me about 45 minutes. Wasn't really a lot of hassles. Didn't really put a lot of effort into putting them on either, to be honest with you. They just kind of went on. There's the inside. True 3-inch collectors. Now we are waiting on the transmission to be finished, which as of today, February 3rd or 4th, I think it is on his bench. So it should be taking a couple hours to build that. I don't know if I'll get it today or tomorrow or what, but it should be today sometime. Yeah, this jinky. You like that nice muffler man brake line job? It's pretty sweet, huh? Doesn't interfere with the steering shaft. It is mighty close, but it does not. Let's see. They give you, or they don't give you, you purchase new spark plugs to go with the new 45-degree angle boot that you need to clear the headers. That's fine. I bead rolled their tube to get a little more secure fit. This seems to be good. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere. There's the money shot that you like. But I figured give you guys an update on what's going on. Getting real close. Oops, sorry for switching around so fast. But this is a trans line in there. So this is basically 6.0 480E trans lines. You can go on Rock Auto, select a Silverado 1500 6-liter, and get automatic transmission lines that'll be for a 480E. My problem is I don't know if I'm going to have issues with fitment, because these back here are already touching the headers, but I think it should be fine. Just gotta learn how to route them. But come to the end, guys. I will do a open header clip of how the truck sounds. It shall be good. But figure just keep you guys in the loop. We're almost there. See you guys later.